The skies above the country's busiest airport, unusually and eerily serene. Flights at Heathrow Airport grounded by a glitch in a computer system 70 miles away. The red area denotes the scale of the severe technical problem at the Swanwick Air Traffic Control Centre in Hampshire earlier this afternoon. This radar map shows the meltdown it caused at airports across southern England. The yellow cluster showing how, in the absence of places to land, many planes simply headed towards Heathrow. Some passengers vented their frustration on social media, at Gatwick, on a plane, and in the terminals. One passenger heading to Australia from Heathrow spoke to us on the phone as he was stranded on the tarmac.
Well, at the moment, there's not a lot moving, really. We're just sitting in a queue of planes. I can see out the window. There's quite a few, see about 6 around us, going nowhere. We were at the end of the runway, literally turned onto the runway to take off, and sat there for a minute or two, and then sort of started taxiing down the runway, just ground to a halt completely. We've now been sitting here for, well, I guess, about an hour or so, not moving.
The Air Traffic Control Centre in Hampshire, shown here on an earlier occasion, is one of only 2 in Britain. But computers also crashed here in December last year, causing 12 hours of problems. Today, a power issue was initially cited as the problem, but one expert told us he was surprised as Swanwick has numerous emergency generators.
There are backups and backups and backups on. It's almost inconceivable that a power failure would have brought down the air traffic control system. It's much more likely to have been one of the systems that the air traffic controllers were operating in one of the operations rooms.
After being off for around 40 minutes, the air traffic control systems were restored. But the inevitable disruption will stretch on for hours, possibly all weekend.